Korea supported table-based learning and play sessions for children and youth in Mahama Camp. Tablet can be a medium of stimulating and efficient learning for refugees, children, and youth. We hope that this small project will give them a degree of positive psychosocial boost. Dream will come true, but you must study hard. We'll also continue to look at the possible future projects that can contribute to building the nexus between humanitarian work and the development for refugees in Rwanda.